name's Benny Sheppard. I'm a truck driver for Wellborn. I've been with the company 25 years now. Driving a truck is kind of addictive. It gets in your blood and it's kind of all you want to do. Once you've drove one for a while, it just don't seem right doing anything else. I love my job. I love to drive a truck. I love meeting new people. It's been very rewarding to me. I know a lot of trucking companies are huge companies and they only know you by a number, and that's all. They don't even know your name, the majority. But here at Wellborn, everybody knows everybody. There's no numbers. I've been here 25 years and I've never been called 4912, employee 4912. It's always by my name. Everybody knows me and I know everybody. So it's kind of like a family, you know, that you're working with family because you do know everybody. I like the freedom of this. You visit different states, you visit different cities, you're almost in a different state every day, every night. So it's a lot of stuff to learn out here. It's a lot of stuff to see that I never would have seen had I not started driving a truck, made that my career. But I really enjoyed it over the years and it's been really good to me. A lot of people look at truck drivers as, you know, just a truck driver, but it's really more than that. Most people never meets the people there in the plant, the owners and the supervisors. They see the truck driver on a regular basis every week, you know, or every 2 or 3 weeks. And time past has proven this when we've had to use outside carriers. They don't care about the cabinets, they don't care about the customer. It's another job to them. Well, it's not just a job to us, it's our livelihood. And those people we're going to see again next week or next month. And we do have some wonderful customers. They're kind of like a family too. I mean, I look at them that way because I've seen the same person for like 25 years now. And we want to leave a good impression on them. We want to come back and them be glad to see us and them smile when they greet us, you know. When I first came here, I took this job and I said, well, I'm gonna work here 6 months until something better comes along. And that was 25 years ago. And I couldn't imagine going anywhere else. Not now. I just couldn't imagine doing it because my heart is really and truly here at Wellborn.